This holiday season, you're invited to a Protective Factor party. Welcome to the party! Come on in, have a seat, get comfortable. I am so glad that you are here. My name is Dr. Nefertiti Pointer. I am an early childhood specialist and national trainer with the Devereaux Center for Resilient Children, and I am just so excited to have a few minutes of your time as we celebrate. It's a Protective Factor party. So, what's a Protective Factor party, Nefertiti? What are we doing here? Well, we're celebrating. It is that time of year when there is always something to cook, something to eat, somewhere to go, something to buy, something to celebrate, something to look at, something to listen to. And then in there somewhere we have to fit in working and sleeping and taking care of ourselves, mind, body, and spirit. And so we are celebrating, and I'm calling this a Protective Factor party because, as I always like to remind each of us, you can't do this work from an unhealthy place. Well, you can actually do it, but you're not showing up in the best way that you can if you're not prioritizing your wellness. And it's this time of year when there seems to be so much going on, and it's so easy for our wellness to slip to the bottom of our to-do list. And so I thought, let's have a Protective Factor party. Your protective factors are those aspects of your life that help you bounce back, whatever they are. Those healthy behaviors, people, situations, again, resources that you use to help you overcome life's challenges. Those are your protective factors. And today I thought, let's have a Protective Factor party and celebrate the people who are our protective factors. So I want you to do me a favor. Grab your cell phone, and I want you to text a few people who are your protective factor. And I want you to say to them, thank you for being my protective factor. And when they say, what's a protective factor? You have to tell them about our party, okay? You have to, you promise? Okay, tell them about our party. And then I want you to listen for just a few minutes as I share just a few strategies for how to prioritize our friendships and relationships, our protective factors over the busy holiday season. Number 1, plan ahead and set priorities. Initiate a proactive approach to your schedule. Set priorities by marking specific days and times solely dedicated to spending time with your family and friends. Whether it's a cozy evening by the fire, a shared meal, or just simply getting out together, prioritize these moments on your schedule as non-negotiable. Number 2, communicate and coordinate. Discuss plans with your loved ones in advance. By communicating and coordinating schedules, it becomes easier to find mutual time slots that work for everyone. Remember, flexibility is going to be key, and open communication helps in finding the best possible times to connect for everyone. Number 3, simplify and delegate tasks. The holiday season often comes with a long list of to-dos. But remember, spending time with your protective factors is supposed to contribute to your resilience. So simplify where possible and even delegate responsibilities. Share tasks among family members or friends to ease the workload, allowing more time for bonding and creating cherished memories together. Number 4, practice mindful presence. When you're with your loved ones, practice being fully present. Put away distractions such as phones or work-related thoughts and focus on engaging in meaningful conversations and shared activities. Mindful presence enhances the quality of the time spent with your protective factors. And finally, set boundaries and say no this holiday season where you need to. Amidst the flurries of invitations and commitments you will receive, it is crucial to set boundaries. Learn to say no to engagements that might overwhelm your schedule and detract from the time you wish to spend with your protective factors. Prioritize what matters the most. And remember, this holiday season, there are a lot of ways to consider what resiliency means, but there is no question that social relationships are important for our health and well-being. So call it a clan, call it a network, call it a tribe, call it a family. Whatever you call it, whoever they are, we all need one. And let's make a non-negotiable commitment to spend time with our protective factors over the holiday. And let's call it a protective factor party. Happy holidays.